Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. I am so excited about today's product. This is from a brand that I am not familiar with and I love getting to try out new brands. This brand is called MAKE, so MAKE Beauty, and what I have here is a serum balm. I feel like I've tried out all sorts of lip products, like every type of lip product I feel like I've tried out in this series. But I definitely have not, because I have not tried out a serum balm, which to me sounds so incredible because I have such dry lips, and this is supposed to be a hydrating lip treatment. And I got this in my September 2022 Boxy Luxe box, but this retails for $26. So MAKE Beauty is more of a pricey brand, but I was very intrigued when I was looking this brand up online. Like, the aesthetic of the brand, the products that they have look so great to me. So I'm very excited to try this out. I have this in the shade Pink Cerise. So it's supposed to provide instant hydration, softening, smoothing, and plumping. I really want all of that for my lips. It has nourishing ingredients in it: pomegranate, jojoba wax. It's supposed to give long-lasting shine. Oh my gosh, just everything about this sounds awesome. And I was very happy with my Boxy Luxe box this month. So if you haven't seen that unboxing yet, that is up here on my YouTube channel. But the packaging on this is so pretty. And let's see what the applicator is like. Oh yeah, it's this like large doe foot applicator. And I'm very surprised that this doesn't have a scent to it, but that's not a bad thing. It looks like this beautiful bright pink, but let's see how it actually swatches. Oh wow, it is much more clear than I was expecting. There is a little hint of pink, but I was kind of expecting a little bit more pigment. But that's okay. My lips right now are definitely very chapped. They're also very dull, so this seems like a perfect product to put on. Let's see how it is. It definitely seems like a gel type texture. Yeah, an interesting gel texture, but I like it. It's like a thick gloss. It does add that slight little hint of pink, which is great when my lips are so chapped and dull. But oh my gosh, this claimed immediate hydration. It absolutely is. All of the dryness in my lips is already gone. The dry patches, the dry texture. It's not super high shine, but it does give a little bit of sheen. But wow, definitely smoothing to the lines and deeply hydrating. Oh, I love that. I love the look and the feel of this. It's doing exactly what it claimed. As far as that like plumping, it's not giving like a tingling effect or anything like that, but it did like plump in a hydrating way where it smoothed out the lips. Oh, I love this. This is just seriously so perfect for my dry, chapped lips. So quick and easy to apply, and it makes my lips look exactly how I want them to look. Completely hydrated, smoothed, a little bit of shine, a little bit of color. Like, this is a fantastic go-to like fall, winter lip treatment. So yes, I definitely want to try out more products from this brand. So if you've tried any MAKE Beauty products, let me know how that has been in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.